Добрый день, hello. I hope you are getting on well. Let's continue with our breathtaking study of the Russian language. We will do our best to speak it fluently and with no mistakes. With this episode, you will learn to do one of the most important things when you speak to a person, asking questions. If you need to know when a person is going to travel to another city, or how he or she resolves problems with the job or at home, or why the interlocutor has decided to work with this company and not with another one, you would certainly use the words when, how, why, along with who, what, how much, how many, and where. In a few minutes' time, you will be able to ask questions of this kind. So let's get ready, find a place where you can repeat after me without being disturbed, relax, and get started. First, some reading practice. It's the only way for you to proceed in the best way. You revise the Cyrillic letters and then go on with the speaking practice. How do you read this word? Когда. Когда. The stress mark is over the letter R. There can only be one stress mark in a word, unless it is a very long word or a compound word. So the letter O has remained without. This means we pronounce it as A. Когда. The strength of the voice is still on the stressed syllable, so it's never когда, but когда. Say it at least twice. Когда. Now, how do you read this word? First, there's S, then K, then you find the strong O, followed by the L and the soft sign. So we'd say L, and it ends with K once again, and a weak O, so we say A. Сколько. Сколько. You don't say сколько because there's the soft sign there. Instead of L, you say L. Сколько. The last word of our reading warm-up is this one. You can find the letter O, that is weak, in other words, without the stress mark, while the stress is over the letter U. Почему? Почему? How do you ask why in Russian? Почему? Great. So these are the new words of this video. Have a look at them. You can also press the pause and study them better. Meanwhile, I'll say them and you just repeat, trying to imitate my intonation the best way you can. Я говорю, а ты повторяешь. I say them and you repeat. Я говорю, а ты повторяешь. Как? Когда? Где? Куда? Почему? Кто? Что? Сколько? As you see, there's a word that is not pronounced the way it's written. It's what. Что. Что. It's written with the letter ch at the beginning, but you don't say ch, you say sh. Что. Что. Just remember it the way it is. Someone pronounces it что in Russian, but it's a dialectal form that tends to disappear gradually from the spoken language. Besides, the word что means what as a question about the object or the notion itself, not about its qualities. So if you wish to ask, what is it? Or what are you doing? You use this word, что. But if you wish to ask, what house is that? Or what vitamins are the best in winter? You will use another word. We'll learn it later. You've also seen the two words где and куда. Let's say them. Где? Куда? Which of them denotes a motion and which one stands for a stable position of the person or a thing? Где conveys the meaning of where is it located. The stability is important here. Где? Куда refers to the changing position of the object. So if you want to ask, where are you now? Which one do you use? Где? The whole question is, где ты? Or где вы? If you want to ask, where are you going tomorrow? Which one do you use? Куда? Great. Let us speak. You will hear questions, try to repeat them, then choose the picture that corresponds to the question. You will need several words like these. Football. If you say play football, you use the preposition v before it. V. Since it's followed by the voiceless sound f, both of them are f. So you say football. Say it. Football. Good. I play football. Я играю футбол. Я играю в футбол. Excellent. Then there is здесь. Здесь. And едете. Едете. The verb go, едете, means you go with a means of transport like a car or a bicycle or a train or anything else. Едете. Okay, so don't answer my questions, just repeat them and choose the picture that goes well for the question, saying here, здесь, and indicating the picture with your finger. Здесь. Okay. Как вы изучаете русский? Yes, this one is the correct picture. Здесь. Very good. Let's go on. Где вы играете в футбол? Здесь. Почему вы слушаете рок-музыку? Здесь. Кто здесь? Здесь. Куда вы едете? Здесь. Что здесь? Да, хорошо. Сколько вы изучаете русский? Здесь. Very nice. This one was not an easy exercise. My compliments to you if you managed to do it well. If it's the first time you watch this video, it's quite okay that you don't understand something and if you can't repeat the phrases. Watch this video either 3 or 4 times so that you gain the speed and understand everything that I say to you, as well as training your pronunciation and the ability of understanding while listening. You've done a great job. A very significant step has been made. Have a nice time, get back to these videos as often as possible and subscribe to the channel. It's essential. До свидания. Пока.